In this video, I'll show you how to blur an image in Canva. It's super easy and perfect if you want to hide something or create a soft focus effect. First, open Canva and upload the photo you want to blur. To do that, go to the left sidebar and click on Uploads, then select Upload Photo. Once your photo is uploaded, simply drag and drop it onto the editing screen. Now click on the photo to select it, and from the top menu, choose Edit Image. Here, scroll down until you find the Effects section and look for the Blur option. You'll now have two choices: blur the entire photo or use the Brush Blur tool. In this example, I'll go with Brush Blur. Once you select Brush Blur, you can adjust the brush size and intensity depending on how strong or soft you want the blur effect to be. Now simply move your cursor over the parts of the image you want to blur. As you brush over those areas, you'll instantly see them start to blur out. And that's it. You've successfully blurred an image in Canva.